Hi guys, I'm actually going to the spa today and there's something I need to do. There's a procedure that I need to do. So I started seeing these things. Let me show you these skin tags around my neck. Yeah, and it's gradually coming up to my face, right? So I started seeing it early last year, or let me say late 2024. And I went to the hospital. The doctor said some of my lifestyle factors had spiked my insulin. So this thing called insulin resistance was, which has, increased my blood sugar level and made me pre-diabetic. I'm not really like exactly pre-diabetic yet, right? But anyways, let me just say that some lifestyle factors spiked my insulin, and these are some of the signs that it was showing me. So when I went to the hospital, they ran some tests and they found out my blood sugar is a little bit above normal, right? So that was when the doctor said that I need to work on my lifestyle. I need to cut out sugar. I need to stop eating late night food. I need to start exercising. That was when I hit the gym. I remember I hit the gym mid last year around June, July, right? So I started going to the gym. They said I should cut out processed food, Indomie, canned food, sardine, like anything canned, right? Any processed food at all that that they use a lot of preservatives to, or a lot of chemicals to preserve it and then can it. So I should just cut out processed foods as well, like fast foods and all of that. So which I had already started working on. But the thing is that these skin tags, they are still here. They're going nowhere. And the lifestyle factors would help me curb or would help reduce my sugar level, right? Get it back to normal, because the doctor said when I cut out all these things and start exercising, that they will be monitoring it, and then I would come back to the hospital, we'll run another test and ensure that it has come back to normal, right? It's coming back to normal doesn't mean that, oh, you will start eating processed food again, you start eating late night food, you will stop exercising. It means that you have to maintain that lifestyle if you want your sugar level to remain normal. All right. So now what I want to do is that this skin tags that has been on my neck since over a year plus, I want to go to the spa and remove it. Since I've already done the medical part and I'm working on my lifestyle, I don't like seeing this thing on my neck. I don't like it. So I really want to go to the spa to remove it. There's this procedure they call, what do they even call it? Well, don't worry, when I get to the spa, I'll put it down here, okay? So I want to go and remove it. So my neck and my face and my skin would remain the same as it has always been. I just want to clear these skin tags. I don't like seeing it on my neck. You see that? I don't like seeing it on my neck. So yeah, see, and then see, it's coming up to my face, right? It came up to my face. I just want to go and remove all these things, and yeah, that's it. I'll show you my full fit. This is what I'm wearing. But before then, let's check out these glasses. There are two glasses that I actually want to wear. Mind you, I'm wearing a full brown outfit, a brown top and a brown silk skirt. So now I want to wear these glasses because I'm wearing these ballet flats burgundy shoes and this handbag, right? And this handbag. So these glasses is my first option, and I'll be showing you this one is my second option. So this one is my second option, and I feel like this one actually eats better and I'm going for this. Hi, where did I park my car? Do I know you? Have I met somewhere? Excuse me? Anyway, so I'm going for these glasses and I'm going to be showing you my full feet right now. So this is my full feet. I'm wearing these ballet flat shoes, right? I'll need to buckle it up. Ooh, my nails. Oh, so this is what I'm wearing. Bomo. Okay. I don't know if you can see me. But let me take it down a bit. A bit. So this is, and if I now pair it with my glasses, I've not even done my lip combo yet, and I will do it. You know, I don't joke with my lip combo. So this is it. Hey, baby. So now I'll be doing my lip combo. Hold up. What's in there? This your backy. Send a kana. You dey hide me. No, dada, you're no, darling. Hey. I'm going to show you how I do my infamous lip combo. So this is my lipstick palette. My friend got it for me from the UK when she came back last year. Last 2024, December actually. There. It was part of the gifts that she gave me for Christmas. My sweet, sweet friend, Gomez. We actually bear the same surname. Can you imagine? I have a friend that bears exactly the same surname with me, and we're not related in any way at all. We're not even from the same village, from the same state. She's from Imo State, I'm from Abia State. Very sweet girl. So the way I do my lip combo is that I actually use the lipstick first on my lips, and then I use my brown eye pencil. This is actually an eye pencil, not a lip liner, to line my lips. I use it to line my lips. Feel me? You feel me? How's your body? Let's see. Hot soap. Hot soap. On your body. On your body. Your body na meat pie. Hey! See, lip combo is so good that even if you didn't make up, there's this upgrade it just gives your face. Pop, it just makes your face pop instantly. Just, you know. So, you see that? Chef's kiss. Then I'm now going to, I love glossy lips. I don't joke with lip gloss. So when I'm done with this, I now actually get my lip gloss and put it over. I put it, I put it over. It's not as thick as I wanted, but it's not bad. So you see, glossy. Then I don't do anything else. So I just carry this, my kajal, because I didn't fix lashes. Normally, if I had my lashes on, I wouldn't need to line my under eye. So I just use my kajal to line my under eye for it too, because I'm not wearing any makeup. So just to make my eyes defined. I actually have bold eyeballs, just like my dad, and it's so sexy. I love it. I love it, you know. Then I brush out I have thick eyebrows. So I just brush it off. and that's it. That's it, nothing else. You see? Just my lip combo, my this thing. And then I throw on my sunshades. That's all. What do you think? You like it? You like? No, darling. I actually begged my friend to follow me to the spa, so I had to go pick her up from her place so we can live together. My friend! You're so fun!
My mom, please go, please need to call me. Oh God.
Fine girl! You're so pretty! Guy, I like this your hair.
Thank you.
This one is 30 inches bust down. Bust down.
That just people they look like me from the boss. They say that they touch my hair.
Oh, really?
Those guys, yeah.
Okay, right now we're actually going to be talking about skin tags because this is a procedure I came here for. What actually causes skin tags? Friction, obesity, hormonal changes during pregnancy. Because I remember my friend never had skin tags on her body, but after she gave birth, she had so many skin tags all over her face. It was crazy. So skin tags is also caused by hormonal changes due to pregnancy, insulin resistance, genetics, type 2 diabetes, and all of that. So if you ever see skin tags on your body, your face, your neck, and you know that you've never had it before, it's not genetics, please go to the hospital. So here they started prepping me for the procedure. They needed to numb my face and my neck, and they started applying this numbing cream all over my face and my neck, like the affected areas where they are going to work on. So this cryotherapy procedure is a therapeutic technique that uses extremely low temperatures to freeze and destroy abnormal tissue, reducing inflammation, to alleviate pain and promote healing. This technique is mostly used by dermatologists to treat skin conditions like warts, skin tags, precancerous cells by destroying tissues. It's also used to treat certain cancers such as prostate, cervical, and liver cancer. Hey, oh my auntie in Yabi. Every Saturday when they feature on like this, never clean up Westlife going 18. And when she's walking so fine. Backstreet Boys, Hancha. Hey, mom, miss those days. Oh, betting is there selling there. A new day has come. I'm waiting for so long for a miracle to come every day. Hey!
This is not my this is my face, so you see me. I'm not happy, that's why. I'm happy with that different. I'm not happy, that's why.
My friend. Some side effects of this cryotherapy can include redness, blistering, skin irritation, and in rare or more severe cases, it can even cause nerve damage. It is generally not recommended for people with severe hypertension or heart conditions. I remember when the girl was doing this process and she said she's trying to avoid the ones that are on my veins, that, those ones are kind of dangerous. But luckily for me, there was none on my vein. Also, to avoid using cream and soap on my face and neck for the next 1 week and only apply aloe vera gel until it's completely healed. Other techniques like ice baths, coolant sprays, or ice packs are used to treat injuries, reduce swelling, and soothe muscle soreness. If you haven't followed me by now, I am your favorite travel consultant, Burial Mez. This is a very important video that I decided to create to raise awareness. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, follow, comment, and stay tuned for more videos. I'll also be giving you guys updates, like as I'm going through the healing process. I'll also be giving you guys updates until it is completely healed. I'll be posting everything here on my YouTube channel. I want to actually describe how this procedure feels like. It's not pain that you feel, it's just a sharp, shocking feeling. If you've ever touched a faulty fridge before, that I don't know if you've been not electrocution, like that level of electrocution, like slight electric shock. Like whenever you touch a faulty fridge, like you don't know that this fridge is faulty and you don't know that this fridge can shock you, and then you try to open a fridge and it immediately shocks you. You know that sharp feeling that you feel. That is exactly how this process, this procedure, this cryotherapy procedure, that is exactly what it feels like a sharp electric shock, shocking feeling. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, that's what it feels like. It's not pain, it's just shock, an electric shock, a sharp one. It doesn't take, it disappears in a split of seconds, right? It's not pain, it's just a slight electric shock. That's what it feels like, in case you want to go through it, okay? I think it's time for me to let you, enjoy the video, take it all in, and decide if this procedure or this process is what you want or what you would love to undergo, right? Just enjoy the rest of the video. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification button so that you will get more updates while I go through the healing process. I love you all, my faves. I remain your favorite travel consultant, Berry Umes. Ciao, faves.